Hey guys, it's Ashley with Pugs and Pearls. Today we are going to do a stamping tutorial for a French manicure. So a few things that we're going to need. First we're going to need a base coat. This is the Beauty Secrets base coat from Sally's Beauty. We are also going to go ahead and put that on. Next up, we are going to be taking this Sheer Tints from OPI. This is in the shade Don't Violet Me Down. This is the first time I've used it. I got it at a discount from Marshall's for only a couple of bucks. And I thought this would be a perfect base coat for the French manicure. Next, we're taking a top coat. This is Sech Vite. We're going to lock this in on top of the manicure. This is a really great top coat. This top coat prevents chipping and just provides a good base before we do our stamping. So I'm going to go ahead and put that on. Next, we're taking this Moyou London. This is a nail plate in the Frenchy stamping plate. It's basically got a great sample size of different nails and thicknesses for the French manicure. For our stamping polish, we're taking the BCM nail lacquer. This is a nice white in the shade Bambi White. And again, when you're using stamping, you're going to want to make sure that you have a thicker polish. This is a clear stamping tool. I really like this one because you can see right through it, so you know your placement is going to be good. You also need a card to swipe the paint. This is a Bundle Monster card. So again, this is a blue film that is on the packaging, so you just need to take this off before you start your stamping. So I'm just going to peel this off first before we put any paint on the plate. Now we're going to take that Bundle Monster paint. We are just going to paint over the section of that plate that we want to try to stamp. So I'm going to start with kind of like a middle length because I'm not exactly sure. You kind of scrape at a 45-degree angle. You push straight down with the stamp, and then you just kind of hover over your nail till you find the right area. You press down and then kind of rotate that gently across your nail in all directions and slowly peel back. And there you go. It stamped pretty well. So we're going to do that again one more time. I'm going to just put that on another section. We're going in with a slightly longer, slightly thicker one. I'm going to scrape it right across, put that stamp down right on top of it, pull straight up. And again, you can do this pretty gently. And again, just be careful as you place it. Again, those clear stampers are really, really helpful when it comes to placement for this type of thing, especially when you're trying to be precise, you're doing lines, and you want to make sure that it's straight. So next we're taking our Beauty Secrets. This is pure acetone, and this is really important for cleaning the plate before you stamp again. So I'm taking this tiny little vial. I'm also going to be using nail pads. And again, we're going to go ahead and just speed up the stamping process, and you're going to see that after each time I stamp, I do take that pure acetone, I take a little pad, and I do scrape the plate to clean it before I put any more paint down. So again, this took me just a little bit to do. It's been a while since I've done any nail stamping, so it's not 100% perfect, but I've really wanted to try this because I've been getting my nails done lately, and now that we're in quarantine for the pandemic, we can't really go anywhere. This has been really nice for me to do. So now that we've stamped, we're going to take some of these brushes, and we are going to take again some of that pure acetone, and we're just going to clean up around the nail area, making sure that we get any extra paint that was stamped off of our skin. This process does take a little bit. Now there are things that you can do, like you can put tape around your nail to kind of prevent this, but I just felt like, skipping that step today. And so finally we're going to go back in with Sech Vite, which is that top coat, and we are going to lock in this manicure. So again, I'm just going to do one coat on top of that after I let it dry, and this should hopefully help keep my manicure nice and fresh. And there it is, guys. That is the final manicure, again with that sheer tints. I thought it turned out really great. It was exactly what I was hoping for. And that's my final photo. If you want to follow me on Instagram at Pugs and Pearls, thanks so much. Bye guys.